Hello there, Louis here at Walters Motor Group. Here we have a lovely example of an Alfa Romeo Giulia in the metallic Montecarlo Blue. Stunning looking car. Very well kept, as you can see. Just doing a walk around of the vehicle now. I'll highlight some of the features that this car comes with. Beautiful looking vehicle. Making your way into the car, you'll see that you have some nice features. Got a start-stop button just there on the steering wheel, along with your DNA switch for your drive mode select. Infotainment system built into the dashboard for that extra sleek design, along with your climate control. Got an 8-speed ZF gearbox. Really nice touch being the half and half leather and cloth seats with multiple adjustments down there. Moving into the back of the car, not sacrificing too much legroom at all. A good amount of space in the back here, as you can see. All round a really nice example of an Alfa Romeo Giulia. The lovely Montecarlo Blue. Comes up really well in this lighting. Thank you for watching.